question in the chat about the distinction between life goals and money goals. There is a lot of controversy in the financial planning world. The academics are very much mixed on whether people really do, left to their own devices, think about goals and how that should link to financial plans and particularly investment plans. My experience is that sometimes you have to dig below the surface, that many people, if you ask them what their goal is, they'll go, I want to pay off some debt, I want to send my kids to private school, I want to retire early, I want to be financially independent. But you need to dig a little bit below that initial surface thought to uncover the real urge behind those statements, that the first words that come out of our mouths don't always fully encapsulate what it is. So I'm a big fan of setting objectives. Now, whether they're formal goals or whether they're expressed in dollar terms or not, I'm a bit less concerned about. But I think it is important that we know or have some view about what our desired future state is, whether that's for ourselves or for our family. That with that in mind, you can make probably the toughest trade-off financially we have to make. So most financial decisions are actually trade-offs. They're trade-offs largely between spending now and spending in the future, whether that's a trade-off between spending money today or paying an insurance premium to avoid a risk that might happen in the future. It's spending less now so we can spend more in retirement. But the trade-off between the standard of living I want now and the standard of living future me wants is the challenge, because every dollar you spend in retirement is a dollar that you haven't spent during your working life. And getting that balance is a tricky thought. And, you know, the media, the big super funds try to boil this down to you should save X% of your income. Today, the government makes us save 11%. That's going to 12%. There is a strong lobby, particularly within the labour movement, to get that to 15%. But who's to say that 15% is the right trade-off for any individual? And that's where understanding what future you looks like, what you'd like future you's lifestyle to look like. And that will help drive a lot of those trade-offs.